Welcome guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Thank you very much for come out and take a time out to watch this video. And today, we just want to talk to you. And we want to talk to some people where I support this sick brother. Yeah man, I want to talk to them people. Because you want now, you why I want to talk to them people. I've comment like these. Yeah man. Comment like these is why I want to talk to them people. Because right now, nobody, yeah man, me go get right into it. Yeah man, right now, nobody, Alla, Samar, and Chrissy, sick supporter them. Not one of them. You hear come out and have anything to say about this little girl, that little girl. Yeah, nobody. Away from in my comment section, you have a lot of my viewers and subscribers. I send prayers and I talk good about hoping this little girl have health and strength. Most of them come and them talk about everything CMR and Chrissy. My viewers and subscribers, prophet even a prayer. Yeah man, prophet even a prayer for CMR. You tell me, say, this man allegedly, police report out there and everything, but me go use the word allegedly. Yeah, me go use the word allegedly. Because police report and everything out there, and what the girl say, and all of that. And you tell me, say, something like this happen to a man. And you tell me, say, man and woman out there I protect and attack all kind of things about leave this man alone. Listen to where this guy saying about this situation. This guy is saying that, listen to what the guy is saying. Listen.
I wish girl, see? I wish young lady, see? I wish child, see? So all of the speculation done, I will get to understand, say, yo, a Chrissy daughter, see? And it take a big man if you can say sorry, you know. Yeah. And as me say, you see true, we are a big man and not a child. It take a big man if you can say sorry. Because we actually see the court now. See? And I see say a Chrissy personal child or personal young little daughter. So me can come right here and say, yo, Chrissy, we're sorry, you know. Yeah. We're sorry, say a year child him actually touch. Yeah, man. So you see, if it really goes so Chrissy, me not gonna tell no lie. My friend them have daughter, you know. Yeah. My best friend have a daughter. Yeah, man. My best friend have a daughter, and you see that daughter there? Come like my daughter. Me not gonna tell no lie. Yeah, man. My best friend have a daughter, and the daughter they come like my daughter. Yeah. You know? Yeah, man. And my next best friend, him have a son. Yeah. And the son they come like my son. You know what I say? Yeah. So, me understand. You know? Yeah. So you see if somebody touch your son, touch your daughter, we face them for face the consequences, you know. Yeah. So me can't go say, give him a chance. No. Me can't even say give him a chance. Me can't even say give him a chance. As me say, you take a big man to say, sorry.
My viewers and subscribers, that's what this guy said. The guy just said, literally, he's sorry that it's Chrissy's daughter. He did that too. So what this guy is saying is, if it was another person, everything would be okay. Let me tell you something. A whole heap of them people where you see a back Chrissy and CMR is no better than them. Yeah, man. Me say it, man. No for uno where a back Chrissy and CMR, uno no better than them. Uno and them are the same thing. Yeah. Uno and them are the same thing because there's no way you're supposed to support. There's no way you're supposed to support this. Yeah, there's no way you're supposed to support this kind of slackness. My viewers and subscribers, that's what the guy said. And here what me go want you do now. Me go want you listen this same guy again. And what he's begging Chrissy not to do. Listen what him say. Listen him good.
So Chad, so I'm see what I go on with CMR. Jano. I'm sorry for know what I go on with CMR. I hope him beat the case, you know? Yeah. I hope him beat the case because you don't want to have them thing up on your name, you know? No. You don't want to have them thing up on your name. And I am a fan. Yeah, man. I am definitely a fan of CMR and Chrissy. Because from the outside, looking in, I believe in a family and I believe in a unity. And I love see the bond between the two of them and the kids. You see me? So Chrissy, you might not want to hear this, you know, but give him one more chance. Chrissy, make this reach Chrissy. Chrissy, give him one more chance. Yeah, man. Don't follow the nice outside. No. Chrissy, give him one more chance to prove him.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, you hear what I beg Chrissy not to do? I beg Chrissy to give him another chance. Give him another chance. What kind of man is this? What kind of human being sit down and think about life at this level? In our first video, him say, what him sorry about is that a Chrissy daughter. And then now him go back and make another video, hoping and praying for Chrissy to give this sick monster another chance. Remarking, he did not say anything about this little girl. My viewers and subscribers, all most of the people I'm worry about is Chrissy and CMR. Why? Tell me why. Let's say Chrissy and CMR didn't have any, there wasn't an influencer, there wasn't on TV, there wasn't anywhere. What do you think would happen? What do you think would really happen? Yeah, they would be ready to chastise them. I read a comment over upon them page. Here is the comment. Yeah, here is the comment. You read it for yourself and see that no matter what people say about him or do, they're not leaving him because they believe in him. There's a comment. How can you put such a thing towards this kind of narcissist, this kind of monstrous, this kind of stupidness? How can you put so much on it? My viewers and subscribers, there's a thing about influencer. People out there are follow, they live their life towards how people on TV live their life. But come on, man. At this level, you need to stop, man. Listen to what this lady have to say.
But no found if a man no go on the provision on the pot can bubble. No found no sit down and wear lace wig and all them thing there in a big house or mansion. And wanna take pretty pictures like so now live the best life and behind closed door now live some horrific experiences. Because no last. No found rather than try to seek a person out for how their heart is, how loyal they are, study their actions, go through the vetting period with them. No. The moment them work over 600k, them automatically get qualified for stay in your life and you pick them life. No for uno introduce, uno pick to the worst persons in the world. I want to introduce and pick them to the predators. I don't want to turn blind eyes. I want to see it because guess what? I want to rather deck out in the Chanel and the Gucci slippers than try to address the pain and the issue in the household. I want to sick.
That's what that lady have to say about ladies who just think about the money. They're not thinking about the child. They're not thinking about them child. Yeah, man, they not think about them child, none at all. None at all, them not think about them child. All them I think about is the hype life, the high life. My viewers and subscribers go as far as this lady. I pray for CMR. This lady not praying for the little girl. No, she not pray for the little girl at all. The little girl is nothing. Is a pray for CMR. Also, I see a video the other day, which, to be honest with you, I didn't watch the video right through, because it was CMR videoing people pitney in a school. Yeah, he's living his best life. Meanwhile, this little girl is under pressure. Yeah, this little girl is under pressure. Meanwhile, he's living his best life. You know the song, I'm living my best life? That's what he's singing. And having videos and he's doing things and he have all kind of things going on with the kids and my viewers and subscribers, it hurt me to listen to what some of these people have to say about the situation, man. There's many people out in the world right now where I go through a lot because they went through the same thing where CMR, where them allegations say CMR do to this girl. And you still have him up. You still, and stick up it. You see all them things about lawyer and all them things about what he have and what he can do and what he can strike and what he can do. Let me tell you something what my lawyer friend tell me. I say to all of you where I talk about, oh, your lawyer friend should I tell you to leave them people business alone. Nobody can tell me what to do. Just like how nobody can tell you what to do. He says, them not have no lawyer. Him say if them have a lawyer, those kind of things, the lawyer would say you cannot do that. Listen to exactly what him say. It's only a pity him never want company that pan this thing, you know. Him say, if they have a lawyer, that lawyer would tell them you cannot send anything to anybody. Because one, it's out there in the public. The mugshot, the police report is out there in the public. People can say anything they want. They can put up anything they want to put up because you are a public figure. And also, he says, for them to do that, that is stupid of them because all you need, and this is what I tell all vloggers out there. He says all you need, and I know that, and I think most of you know that, all you need is that mugshot, that police report, send it to YouTube, and they're finished. That's all you need. So, Chrissy and Samar, if you want to watch this, that's all you need. No matter what you say, no matter how big your channel is, that's all people needs. You get that video, that mugshot, that police report, send it to YouTube. Guess what happened to the channel? Guess. So when you send that letter to Vibes with Rosa, Vibes with Rosa never did have to take down nothing. All Vibes with Rosa did have to do is take that mugshot, take that report, send it back to YouTube and tell YouTube this is just what you are going after. Then now it will trigger YouTube if you say, oh, hold on. What? And then you know who you are trouble. All the same are sick supporters them. When you figure sit down. Because what him do? You know me that listen to my fella co-worker, Oliver Lifestyle, J.A. You know if you go over there, go check him out. Yeah, man, go over him channel, go check him out. Me that listen Oliver yesterday. And Oliver used a word, and Oliver say to all of you, if Samar did that Jamaica and do that, you know what would have happened? The real justice. Yeah. If Samar did that Jamaica and then find out said that happened and he wouldn't have to wait for the police come for him. He wouldn't have to run to the police for saving life. Because in a Jamaica, towards them things, you have jungle justice. Yeah, man, go over Oliver, go check him out. Go over there, go watch him channel. I want to see what him say. Yeah, man, them have a thing named jungle justice in a Jamaica. It is not right. It's illegal. But I saw you deal with them boy there. So to all of the people out there where are big up on yourself, where talk all kind of things, where I do all kind of things, where I say all kind of things, where I back the monster, where I back the child, M.O. Me can't talk the word pan ya. Yeah, man, you back him and you give him the power. The other day, him have a live. You see so much people they pan in live? Everybody they pan in live, I tell him all kind of good things. But him nah answer to the people them where ask him the question. What happened? What we go do? What you go do? Him nah answer them. How comes you allow a man like this if still a make video and you watch them? I'm telling us this. The amount of people who are watching video them, the amount of people who are comment on them. Yes, me understand people I go say, yeah, you want money, you want food, you have to pay a bill and all that, but you never think about that before you do what you do. Allegedly. The allegations say. The little girl say. You never know you need money to pay a bill. All you are talk about, and then me, you the one, Chrissy, she a talk about, oh, she go at gym and, you know, listen what she say. Listen what she say.
Olivia, most of the, you know, getting my life together and stuff. We're starting back with the gym. Yeah, I feel so good getting the kids ready in the mornings now. I have the option to get stuff done, or I can come and relax back home by myself. I like it. The only
Yeah, man, that is what she said. She like to be at home by herself. She like it. She go to the gym. She come home. She do this. She do that. She like it. So, when me tell people say, CMR no did it. Them all tell me, say, yeah, him gone home. Yeah, him and him family this, him and him family that, him and him family this. Let me tell you something. If the police down in Miami ever see him there, notice a year, she says she a go a gym, him a go a gym. Let me tell you something. If them ever find out, say, two of them are connect, if them ever find out, say, them kids, they're on him, dog, name them supper. But me not talk about that. Me a talk about the sick support of them. Me a talk about the dirty mind support of them. Me a talk about the ignorant, the stupid support of them where I support him. And I disrespect content creator because we are talk about them Jesus. Yeah, we are talk about them Jesus, so them are disrespect we because we are talk about them Jesus. People sit down and think it could be your child as a matter of fact. Some of you will talk, you know, do the same thing to you pitney and to other people pitney. Yeah, man, me say that, man. No for you know where I say bad things. You know I do that. Me see a lady company the other day. Come tell me about at my age. Me should not this, me should not that. And me see a lady write in her comment and call her name by name and say go clean your house because your house want clean. And stop mind people business. So a whole heap of uno where back him, uno house want clean. So uno go clean up uno house, clean up uno act. You know the song say, clean up your heart and come. Yes, man, go clean up uno dirty heart. Because uno rude, uno disrespectful. Because all uno are worried about is him wonderful beast, him big pretty house, and him nice family. Uno say mash up the family. Under what circumstances you think that family can come back together and be good? You think that little girl can go back to that family and be have nice, yeah? You know, an idiot. That girl will forever be. How you feel if you know say that girl life will ever be like many people out there? Sorry. I wonder, what if I did this? What if I did this? Oh, I was wrong. It was my fault. For the rest of her life. Every time she see that monster, she go be bad. She go feel bad. She go have all kind of shame in herself because she go blame herself. What wrong with you, man? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me go cut it short right here, say now. So remember, like the video, share the video, support the video, comment down below. And my viewers would I like you if you comment down below and comment and tell me what you all think about what Chrissy and CMR is doing. Yeah, man, just make we talk about it. And to all of the one that are going to come with a bad thing, you can't stop me from talk. You will never stop me from talk. Because guess what? Me attack on the behalf of the survivors and the people who gone through the same thing when no monster friend do to that little girl. Allegedly. Yes, me there as a supporter. Me there a fight for them. And we need to move to the next motion. We need to move to the next motion of getting this guy off of this thing. Yeah, man. We need to move to the next motion. I try to wipe them off of this. Because each day, them put up a video. Each day, them continuously put up a video and I act like nothing. Not happen. Is that time they make those people who are suffer feel pain. On my behalf, now say a word, peace and love. Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. I remember, my viewers and subscribers, we set a goal. Make we see if we can reach that goal, 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2024. Help me reach 5,000 subscribers by the 31st of December. Make we ring in the new year. Very good. Peace and love. And also remember, anything you want to say or want to hear, put it in the comment down below. We go find it for you. We go dig information. And watch the next video where I come up. Because that one there, I'm going to go like that one there too. I say a word, I'm out.